Hello friends, in this video we will do the lab of port security. Port security is a feature which prevents our network from three attacks. First, CAM table overflow. Second, MAC spoofing. Third, DHCP starvation. Now how we can implement it? Go to switch and configure it on those ports which are connected to host. 2 to 6 ports are connected with hosts. Go to switch to interface range fast ethernet 2 by 0 by 2 to 6. Switch port mode access, yes, they are in 100. Switch port access will in 100. Switch port security. Switch port security. MAC address, yes, you can see you can define manually or you can use command sticky. Then switch port security maximum, you can define maximum MAC address. Okay, we are saying only one MAC address is allowed at these interfaces. Then switch port security violation. Okay, security violation contain three modes. First, implement shutdown. Do show history. Yes, switch port security MAC address sticky maximum MAC address 1. Switch port security violation shutdown. Now go to 6 or go to R2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As you know, here its IP address is 192.168.101.1 and it is configured as DHCP server. And here we have a loopback 1.1.1.1. Now go to R2 interface 0 by 1 IP address DHCP, interface 0 by 1 IP address DHCP, 0 by 1 IP address DHCP, 0 by 1 IP address DHCP, and last 6 interface 0 by 1 IP address DHCP. 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Yes. Now do one thing, change the MAC address on 6. MAC address. Okay, if you will change the MAC, you can see you will see a syslog message. Now port is down. So what you have to do? You have to go to port number 2 by 0 by 6. First put command shutdown, then no shutdown. When we use switch port security violation action shutdown, you can see here you will see a syslog message and port will be placed down. Okay, now what we will do? We will use here switch port security violation restrict. What is the difference between shutdown and restrict? Again do one thing, shut it and no shut. Now you can see port is up. You will see a syslog message, but port will not goes down. Yes, in shutdown you will see a syslog message and port will be placed as a down state. But if you will use restrict, in restrict you will see syslog message but port is not down. You can also use here restrict. Switch port security violation action. Restrict we have used. Now protected. Okay, in protected no syslog, no port will goes in down state, but yes, communication is not possible. and we know its IP address is 29, or do one thing, ping 101.1, do show IP interface brief. Yes, no IP address, do one thing, IP address DHCP. As you can see at another side, if you are using switch port security violation protected, you are not able to see any logs message, but communication is not possible in any action. Either you are using restricted, shutdown and protected. In any violation action mode, you are not able to communicate if you are breaking the rule. As you can see, you are not able to obtain IP address. So what you have to do? You have to first of all remove your fake MAC address. Then you will put command IP address DHCP. Now you are able to communicate with your network. Yes, 29, do ping 101.1, do ping 1.1.1.1. Yes. Now you can see here, do show history. If you will use switch port security violation action shutdown, no communication, syslog message, port will goes down. If you will use restricted, no communication, syslog message, but port will not goes in down state. Next is here switch port security violation protected. In protected, no syslog, no down, port will not goes in down state and no communication. So this was our port security. Using port security, you can prevent your network from three attacks. First, cam table overflow. Next, MAC spoofing. Third, DHCP starvation. And it has three modes. First, shutdown, restricted, protected. Shutdown, which is default. If you will use shutdown, then if security violation will occur, you will see a syslog message, no communication, port will be placed in down state. Next is, or port will goes in error disable state. Next is here restricted. In restricted, you will see syslog message, port will goes in error disable state, but port will not goes down. In protected, no syslog, port will goes in error disable state, no, and port will not goes in down state, as it goes just like shutdown. Okay, this was your port security. Thank you.